Looking for the best Chroma key green screen stand but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best Chroma key green screen stand based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The RAUBAY 59.8 by 82.7 inches collapsible green screen backdrop is another great option for those who want a professional Chroma key screen. Its easy setup feature is a bonus, and the premium fabric is wrinkle-resistant and made from sustainable materials. The pneumatic X-frame automatically locks the canvas, making it perfect for video conference, photographic studio, or streaming use. Number 4. The green screen backdrop kit with stand from Djibouti is a great alternative for those on a budget. The kit includes a high-quality polyester green screen, a sturdy stand, and carrying bag, making it perfect for streaming, portrait photo, and interview settings. Its stability and durability make it a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable green screen backdrop. Number 3. The RAUBAY 78.7 by 82.7 inches large collapsible green screen backdrop is a great option for those who need a wider style. Its larger size makes it easy to contain multiple people, and the premium fabric is wrinkle-resistant and made from sustainable materials. Easy setup is a bonus, making it perfect for video conference, photographic studio, or streaming use. I'd recommend it to anyone looking for a professional Chroma key green screen. Number 2. The EMART upgrade green screen is a game-changer for anyone who needs quick and easy setup. Its ultra-quick setup feature is impressive, and the wrinkle-resistant green screen is optimized for camera chroma keying, making it perfect for streaming, photographic studio, or TikTok use. It's a great choice for anyone who wants a seamless broadcasting experience. Number 1. Let's talk about the EMART green screen backdrop kit. Its standout feature is the complete chroma key solution, offering everything you need for professional green screen effects in one kit. This makes it perfect for video production, live streaming, and virtual backgrounds. I'd recommend it to anyone looking to create high-quality, professional-looking videos with minimal setup hassle. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.